up and check it out. So before I do open it, I'll just show you the outside of the box. It says V64 ready to run. I think they all have surfboards on the top of them, and it's got some information right there. Some of it's in English, some of it's in Chinese. Shows you the dimensions right there of the size of the car. So literally that is the size of the car. Some other information there which you can read later. Some of the functions that it's got. So ready to run, 80 minutes working time. That's a lot of time. Beginner mode, low, middle and high. All metal gears, looks like. USB charging, small turning radius, shock absorbers, paint of simulation vehicle, 2.4 gigahertz working frequency, 4-piece ball bearings, lamp system, rubber tires, full proportional control. That's what I like to see, and the display box. So yeah, let's unbox this and have a look. All right, so in the box, let's have a look. Looks like we've got some scene parts, some track edges, couple of flags, stuff like that, and maybe some stickers in there. Whole lot of information, more little stickers. Qualified certificate, genuine product. Shows you how to bind it, where the switch is for power and the charger. A lot of this is in a different language. So, oh no, English is on this side and Chinese is on this side. So that's a good thing. More information on cards, QR codes there, extra information, stickers, how to drive it, basic training around some bollards or some instructional booklet there. I'm not going to go through all that. If I need to, I will. Nice display stickers where you can put anywhere you like, and one little unpainted body or unstickered body where you can dress it up yourself. It does come with stickers, or you can paint it yourself. I think these are the bits of the surfboard and tiny little screws in there. There you are. That is just a basic body shell right there, with all the holes drilled out and everything ready to go. Right, let's put them aside. USB charging cable, USB-C. Here's the remote. Nice fully detailed remote, and yeah, we'll get that powered on. Now I think this has a rechargeable battery in it, so no batteries required. They're already inside, I'm pretty sure. And the main feature of this video is this little guy here. And there we go, have a look at that little awesome 1/64 scale. Let's get this open and have a look. Okay, it comes in that nice display case, really nice. There's a better shot of it without the case on. And now to get this off here, there's a screwdriver in there. One little screw under there to detach the car from the little display unit. And there we have it. How cool is that? Now, just to compare, it's about the same size as a Hot Wheels car. So Hot Wheels cars are 1/64 scale. There you go, that's the same size. Awesome. All right, so